Stop for a second. Don't scroll. Click the link in the description because this is something you don't want to overlook. Here's why people love this product. It delivers real performance without the complications. Smooth operation, strong design, simple interface, everything just works. But what convinced me wasn't the hype. It was how surprisingly good it actually is. It feels reliable, it feels premium, and it performs better than I expected. If you've been tired of products that look good but don't deliver, this one will be a breath of fresh air. So do yourself a favor, click the link, check it out, and see why it's getting so much attention. You'll thank me later. Hey, before you move on, let me share something cool with you. There's a link in the description, and honestly, you'll probably thank me after you check it out. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about this product, so I decided to try it. Stop for a second. Don't scroll. Click the link in the description because this is